A green burial is the way that we've been burying people for the last 1,000 years. It's a burial where the body goes directly back into the ground. There is no harsh chemicals used, so the body is not embalmed. Everything is biodegradable, and your loved one, your body would go back into the earth. So they would likely either be shrouded, which is wrapped in a cotton, or they would be placed into a wood or biodegradable casket and be put into the ground with no metal vaults. Green burials are becoming more popular as more and more families want a greener, eco-friendly option.